Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a very random video. I didn't know what to film to post it like immediately because I need a video for today. Today is Monday when I'm filming this video. As you can see, I'm getting ready because I'm going to film 2 videos, but I needed a video for today. I hope you guys can hear me. There's still constructions on my street, so that's that. You're probably going to hear that in my videos, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm getting ready because, as I said, I want to film 2 videos today, and I want to give you like a mini update. I'm going to be back with my normal schedule. I'm going to post three videos a week again, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so stay tuned for that. And I don't know if you know this, I mean, if you follow me on Instagram you probably know this, but I said that my camera was stolen from me, like the camera I was filming my makeup tutorials and all my videos. So yeah, that's that. And now I got a new camera, a better camera, and I'm going to film with that today. So that's the update. I'm going to be back with my normal schedule, and now I'm getting ready to film, as you can see. And today I decided to use again this Makeup Revolution foundation stick. I don't know if I mentioned this in any of my videos, but I cannot wear this foundation during the summertime because my skin gets a little bit more normal. Right now it's dry and sad. So I decided to use this again, but as I said, during the summertime I cannot use this because like around my mouth and my nose it gets so I don't know, it looks bad. I don't want to say oily because I don't get oily. I have normal skin during the summertime, but I can't wear this foundation, and that's so sad because it's super easy to apply, super easy to blend. The coverage is amazing. So that's that. And what else I wanted to tell you guys? Oh, today I'm going to film 2 makeup hauls, so expect that on Wednesday and Friday because I want to get rid of the boxes and I want to start using the makeup. I want to do first impressions and I want to use the makeup because I have them for about 2 months and I haven't touched them, and I want to use them. I got foundation on my robe. I'm wearing my robe, and also I have this v-neck crop top I showed you in my Zaful haul like on Friday, I guess it was, and oh my god, it's so cute and super soft. I don't know how to explain that. We have a situation. I think I applied a little bit too much of that Benefit primer, and if I apply too much it gets a little bit weird, or if I don't blend it that well it gets weird. And right now I'm filming with my phone and you don't want to see how my phone is holding, like we have a situation here. So this is my filming station right here. My phone is sitting on a brush holder and there's a few brushes behind it to hold the phone so you can see me because I don't have a tripod to hold my phone like this, like horizontally. So that's that. What else I wanted to tell you guys, because I wanted this video to be very short. I don't know. So since my how I dye my hair ombre at home is my most viewed video, I want to tell you guys that I'm kind of bored of this color right now and I want to go dark. So since that video is my most viewed video, I want to film the video where I go dark because I'm decided and I want to go dark. I even bought the dye, so I bought 2 of these casting creme gloss from L'Oreal, and this is in the shade Chocolate 535. So yeah, let me know down below if you want me to see how I dye my hair. I mean, it's super easy, super fast. You just apply the cream on your hair, you let it sit, you wash it out. Anyway, let me know down below if you want me to film that video because, as I said, since my dyeing ombre hair at home is the most viewed video on my channel. I could totally, you know, film like the part 2. Next I'm going to apply just a little bit of this Born This Way concealer, and oh my god, this is so amazing. I've worn this like only on the center of my face, like as a foundation. This is amazing. I really want to get the foundation as well. Ooh. So yeah, probably I applied way too much of that primer, but that's okay. So yeah guys, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm going to continue to get ready because as you can see, I can talk and do my makeup at the same time because I get distracted so easy. Yeah, let me know down below if you want me to film the video where I dye my hair black. I mean not black, dark chocolate. Guys, I bought this microfiber velvet beauty sponge. There's 2 of them and I really wanted to use it today to see how it works on my face, but there's a lot of fuzzy, peachy hairs that are coming out of this sponge, and I really don't want to put that on my face because my face will be so itchy. I already touched this a little bit, so I don't think I'm going to use that. So yeah, obviously they are not the originals like from Joyco and Co, I don't even know, but I found them on Amazon and it had like a bunch of good reviews, and that's what made me to buy them. Yeah, let me know down below if you want me to try this like in a video, I don't want to touch it because as I said, there's a lot of peachy fuzz hairs coming out of this, and that's a bad situation. I mean, I don't know, let me know if you want me to try this as well. I don't think I have anything else to tell you guys, so yeah, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed this random rambles boring video. I know it's boring, but I wanted to give you the update. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Since that video is my mode. What the was that? Mish? Is that you? Oh my god, that look weird. It's filming me. What the heck, I cannot speak. So